Welcome to the journey of discovering how to make money with email marketing. This powerful tool can unlock endless opportunities for your business. Diving right in, the first step is building a robust email list. A diverse and engaged list is the foundation of successful email marketing. Crafting compelling content is key. Your emails should be informative, engaging, and provide value, turning subscribers into customers. Personalization is your best friend. Tailoring emails to individual needs and preferences significantly boosts engagement and conversions. Don't underestimate the power of a strong call to action. This little button can drive traffic, generate sales, and increase your revenue. Automation can be a game changer. It helps in sending timely, relevant emails, ensuring you're always in your subscribers' inboxes. A/B testing is essential. Experimenting with different elements can help optimize your emails for the best results. Analyzing data is crucial. Understanding what works and what doesn't will help you refine your strategy and maximize profits. Remember, compliance with regulations like CAN-SPAM is non-negotiable. It builds trust and safeguards your reputation. Lastly, patience and persistence are vital. Building a profitable email marketing strategy takes time, but the rewards are well worth it. In conclusion, mastering how to make money with email marketing is a journey of learning and adapting. Implement these strategies, stay consistent, and watch your profits soar.